If you want to make your Squarespace website look more polished and professional, one of the easiest branding touches you can add is a favicon. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to put a favicon on Squarespace step by step, so your site has that small icon that appears in the browser tab and helps your brand stand out. This is a quick update, but it makes a big difference in how your website looks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the website you want to edit. Once you're inside your site dashboard, look for the settings option. Click settings to open your website settings menu. From there, click website. This is where Squarespace keeps a lot of the general site identity and display options. Next, scroll down through the website settings until you find the favicon section. The favicon setting is usually located lower down in the menu, so take your time and scroll until you see it. When you find it, click on favicon to open the upload panel. Now you'll see the option to upload your image. Click the plus and add image button, or if you already have your favicon file ready, you can drag and drop the image directly into the upload area. For best results, use a simple square image that clearly represents your brand, because favicons are very small and detailed images usually don't display well. After you upload the file, wait a few seconds while Squarespace processes the image. You should see a preview appear once the upload is complete. Take a quick look to make sure it's the correct image and that it appears clearly. If everything looks good, the last step is to save your changes. Click the Save button in the top left corner of the sidebar panel to apply the favicon to your site. Once that's done, your Squarespace website will now show the new favicon in the Browser tab. If you don't see it right away, you may need to refresh your browser or check the site in a new tab. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon to Squarespace. It's a small detail, but it makes your website feel much more complete and branded. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials, website design tips, and simple walkthroughs that save you time.